So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix HBO Max screen mirroring not working, iPhone and Android casting fix. Fix 1 is use the built-in cast button. Open the Max app on your phone or tablet, choose your movie or shows any press play. Tap the center of your phone screen to access playback option. Tap the cast icon or AirPlay icon in the top right corner. Select your TV name from the pop-up list. Second fix is match your Wi-Fi network. Grab your TV remote and navigate to settings then network. Write down the exact Wi-Fi name displayed on the TV. Open setting then Wi-Fi on your phone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi name as the TV. Third fix is turn off restrictive iPhone setting. Open your VPN app and tap disconnect to turn off the VPN. Disable low power mode or battery saver in Android in your phone settings. On iPhone, enable local network permission by going to setting then max and toggling local network to on. Fourth fix is clear cache and force restart the app. For Android, navigate to settings, select apps, choose max from the list, go to storage, tap on clear cache. For iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the phone screen to view open apps. Swipe the max off the screen to close it completely. Reopen the max app. Attempt to play the video again. Fifth fix is power cycle your TV and router. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Unplug your internet router from the wall outlet. Wait 60 full seconds. Plug the router back in and wait 2 minutes for the internet lights to turn green. Plug the TV back in, turn it on and try casting. Thanks for watching.